Namaste. I and my mother, we have a daily ritual. Apart from feeding the birds and the squirrels and our cows in the ashram, we have a daily ritual that we communicate more than communication, we are in communion. I say what I can learn from her or what she can learn from me as an observation mode and not as an advice mode. When I observed my mother, I told her, what I learned from you is the art of floating. She's a good swimmer at age of 86 years also. Even her coach says, I can't float the way you can float in swimming. And in swimming to float, you don't have to put effort. There is a non-doing in which a doing happens. I said, in life, I've seen you throughout you have been floating and floating, not clashing with anybody. There is a tremendous art of floating, right? And that's a great lesson I can learn. And she tells me what she can learn from me as through her observation is throughout I've been a learner, and learner. And therefore, you have brought out 118 books there. And even at the age of 64, you have got a black belt in martial art. And now at the age of 65, I'm in 4th dance syllabus, which is a big achievement there. You have been learning Urdu and you have been so prolific in speaking Hindi, right, Tamil, and therefore you have been a learner. Apart from a learner, you have also been a contributor. From childhood, I've seen you contributing. And she reminds me of the quote, he gives not the best who gives the most, but he gives the most who gives the best there. And therefore, since you have been contributing, she says, even at COVID-19 time, that lockdown period, 5,000 people, you and your team is giving Annadana, food for the poor. It's a big achievement. Since you have been contributing, God or nature has also been contributing to you. And therefore, an echo principle, right, happens. You say to the mountain, I hate you. The mountain says, I hate you. You love you, and the mountain says, I love you. So therefore, you have been doing good, and nature is being doing good there. Thus, we both sit down and share our notes of understanding and create a communion through observation, right? Same thing I request all of you. With sit with your parents or spouse and through observation, learn and build a communion. I wish you all the best and God bless you all.